Grupo Industrial Águila is a world-class Mexican company with operations throughout the entire nations and customers in different countries around the world. Additionally, they have created strategic technological alliances in North America, Europe, and Asia. Originally created as a single company, Águila has transformed into a consolidated industrial group, integrated by 6 different companies. Each one of them provides cutting-edge knowledge and solid experience in specialties such as construction of industrial plants, steel production and manufacturing of process modules, basic and detailed engineering, industrial maintenance, services, and crane rental. Solidly grounded on its vision of building long-term relationships of mutual benefit, and thanks to a high level of expertise and absolute service availability, the group seeks its mission of not only satisfying but exceeding its customers' expectations with the full support of competent personnel, equipment, and leading infrastructure and technological systems of the latest generations. Having safety as a precondition in conducting all of its operations, as well as an inescapable factor of its performance culture, Grupo Industrial Águila is permanently oriented to fulfilling its commitments on time and with the stipulated quality, which has allowed us to keep the confidence of our customers that for over 25 years have allowed us to collaborate in the success of their projects. Our business units are Águila Construction and Engineering, Basic and Detailed Engineering, Procurement and Construction of Industrial Plants, Corporate and Infrastructure Edification, Construction and Maintenance of Oil and Gas Pipelines and Fire Prevention Networks. Águila Manufacturing, Design, Manufacturing and Rental of Modular Plants for Oil and Gas Processing, Sweetening Services, Cryogenic Separation and Gas Compression, Packaged equipment, process modules, manufacturing of pipe spools, tanks and process equipment, containers with ASME certification stamping, chimneys, metal structures and wind towers. Águila Industrial Maintenance, integral maintenance services and industrial plants revamp, specialists in electromechanical maintenance, heat insulation, anti-corrosive and refractory coatings, assistance in plant shutdowns with personnel available 365 days a year, maintenance of petrochemical and refinery plants, as well as of power generation, paper industry, offshore platforms, and sugar mills. Águila Machinery, specialized in high-rise maneuvering and tonnage, industrial assembly procedures, rental of machinery and cranes, and an integral logistics support system. DIASA, procurement and marketing company for the import of equipment and supplies for the entire group and its customers. It specializes in the installation and rental of scaffolding, as well as providing equipment rental services. Incosur, creating value for the industry through people and technology. World-class supplier of engineering solutions and specialized products for industrial automation, totally dedicated to optimizing our customers' processes time and time again. The professional performance of all the companies that make Grupo Industrial Águila is periodically updated by the adoption of international methodologies, which are applied to our operations and administration processes. We are certified by ISO 9001-2008 and also comply with the normativity issued by the Secretariat of Labor and Social Welfare regarding industrial safety. At Águila, we recognize the valuable participation of our people in all aspects of the organization, the professionalism, integrity, delivery, and loyalty of our teams that, with safety as a priority, have allowed us to successfully achieve all our products. We will continue preparing into the future, updating our processes, procedures, and infrastructure hand in hand with forefront technology and with a global vision that will allow us to satisfy the design, construction, equipment, and maintenance needs of the industrial sector worldwide. Our compromise remains unchanged, and it is renewed every day to meet our commitments with the highest quality and within the time frames agreed, demonstrating full respect for the communities in which we interact and the environment in which we perform. We are proud to be a group of highly specialized companies competing worldwide, repatriating jobs, and promoting the development not only of the region where we are established, but also of each area and community in which we are fortunate to collaborate. We will continue our work, privileging the safety of our personnel and of the facilities where we intervene, thus honoring the trust of people and organizations, which are the reason of being for Grupo Industrial Águila, our customers.